Afternoon, everyone. Mike here from Infinity Air Heating and Cooling, and today we're gonna have a quick little 2-minute video on 2 or 5 minute, as we like to call them. Quick lesson on insulating your suction line for your refrigerant lines. So, we have Armaflex, which is insulated tubing, and what a lot of people like to do is peel off the old stuff because it gets pretty worn down and rough and whatnot, and break all the connections, braze it on, put it together, and yeah, you put your tubing on. Now they gotta slice this all the way down and wrap it around there. It just looks tacky. So what we like to do and talk about is braze all your connections except for the final one, and pull the final one, and then you put your tubing on there, and then you can pull the tubing back and hold it back there, braze it, and then take off your pipe cutters. We use pipe cutters just to hold it on there, hold it back, braze, pull your pipe cutters, slide the insert tube over, away you go, good to go. So to do it the right way, inside this insulation is a powder coating to it's like a heat resistant powder coating, I guess, if you will, a little powder to drop in there, but there's also, it's foam, so it tears really easy on sharp stuff, especially if you don't deburr it, and those will go inside the pipe. So naturally, tape off the end of it, block the end of the pipe before you slide the tubing on, and then you can simply just slide the tubing on, which I will set this down, and slide the tubing on. Get it to where it wants to be, it's gotta go, and once you're happy with where it goes, you can tear off the excess, and then you can shimmy this back, shimmy it back a ways, and there you go. So now you got this out of the way, and then you can put your pipe cutters on here, and see how I put it to where it's not on there all the way, and then I turn this wheel until it drops in, and then a little tiny bit of a turn back, and that's all you need. One more turn to hold it. You're not cutting through the pipe or anything like that, you're just basically providing a clamp. And then so now you're away from the heat source, and we will take a wet rag and apply a wet cold rag around it, just to further keep the heat away from it. And then we'll peel our tape off, make our connection, and go ahead and braze that up. So there's your quick little lesson on the trick of the trade. I guess that's what we're gonna start naming some of these, are tricks of the trades. The tricks of the trade is gonna be a little series we're gonna be starting. So you get the inside VIP on this one of a quick trick of the trade before we even get the whole category going. So now you got one to tell your friends, or whatever they say. And of course, stay cool to infinity. See you next time.